Dodge.com, SouthForkDodge.com.
1-800-LOW-BRACE, KALG FM HD2 Houston, a radio.com sports station.
And your home of the Houston Texans.
Touchdown, Houston!
Houston sports leader, Sports Radio 610.
Clint Sterner and Ron the Show Hughley are brought to you by TexasLending.com. It's a Reaction Monday, presented by Coors Light on Sports Radio 610. Here's Clint Sterner and the show. Sports Radio 610 presents Clint Sterner and the show with the biggest stories of the day. It's the Big 3 at 3, number one.
All right, number one, Clint.
So check out Lowe's.com/community to learn more.
Information now.
KXYZ, Houston, the Black Information Network.
Follow us on Twitter at BlackInfoNet. Listen at BINnews.com or tell your smart device to play Houston's BIN on the iHeartRadio app. I'm Vanessa Tyler.
And I'm Mike Stevens on the Black Information Network.
588 Tina Shop Shopping.
Listening to Bit Radio on KGOW 1560 AM, Bel Air, Houston, Texas.
Quý thính giả đang theo dõi đài Việt Radio phát thanh 24 giờ trên làn sóng.
Thanks for listening. Bye.
Houston Public Media is a service of the University of Houston and supported with your gifts to the Houston Public Media Foundation. More information at houstonpublicmedia.org/donate.
Hi, I'm Jen White, the new host of 1A. But this isn't my show, it's yours. It's a place for all of us to talk and ask questions about news and issues that matter most to the nation right now. And you get to shape the conversation by sharing what you know. Let's keep talking next time on 1A.
"1A", weekdays at 11 a.m. on News 88.7. This is your NPR station, KUHF Houston News 88.7, a service of the University of Houston. Remember, while you're at home, you can listen to us on your favorite devices. Just tell your smart speaker to play Houston Public Media.
From Texas Public Radio, this is Texas Matters.
Hey, Bill Ingram here. Let's get this rodeo started. Welcome to KSBJ with one great encouraging song after another.
KSBJ on Bull Houston. KSBJ HD1. KSBJ.org. Or download our app. Or ask your smart speaker to play KSBJ.
Welcome to KSBJ.
You're listening to the most prolific, profound, revolutionary radio program at the sound of your FM dial. And if you are tapped in on FM, we know you're listening right here in H-Town at 90.1. And we thank you so very much in Galveston at 89.5. And if you're real, stand tall, hold your head, even if you happen to be behind those walls. Tapping in and tuning in at 91.9. And if you're anywhere else on the World Wide Web, we know you're tapped in on www.kpft.org. I'm your main man, SED, giving you news you can use, flavor you can savor, so you definitely need to tell a neighbor about this amazing and prolific conversation.
91.7 KXNG Houston. 91.1 KYBJ Lake Jackson Galveston. 89.5 KZBJ Bay City. 91.3 K217GB Houston. 91.7 MJ. Get it pop, get it pop, pop, pop. Houston's positive hip hop and pop.
living for me, talking for you.
KROI Seabrook, Houston.
An Urban One radio station.
Minority controlled and operated and serving the African American community for over 40 years.
Houston's new radio now, 92.1.
Home of the Kid Craddock Morning Show.
We play the hits.
Shell FCU, welcome home.
KKPQ, Pasadena, Houston.
Are you ready now?
The new 93Q.
A Cox Media Group station. The new 93Q.
Get ready.
Turn it up.
Born and bred, Houston strong.
That's my 93Q.
Number one for new country.
Hey, good afternoon. It is 1 o'clock. I'm Jake Stewart. You're listening to The Home. The Q Morning Zoo. They give you the second date update every morning at 6:35 and 8:35.
This is Tyler Farr. Y'all stay safe out there and remember, we're all in this together.
The new 93Q.
This is KQBT Houston. You're now rocking with the best. Kicking off 93 minutes of commercial-free hip-hop. As we attempt to blow the roof off. That means zero commercial. You know what it is. We are A-Sound Real Hip-Hop. Home of the Breakfast Club. 93.7 The Beat.
The Buzz.
Houston's rock. Houston's alternative.
KTBZ FM, Houston.
Houston's rock and alternative.
94.5 The Buzz.
An iHeart radio station.
Now, number one for podcasting.
iHeartRadio, now number one for podcasting, presents Sunday Night Podcasts. Every Sunday, we play one of the most listened to and most shared podcasts of the week from the 250,000 podcasts available in the free iHeartRadio app. Find your next favorite podcast on iHeartRadio. This week, it's stuff you missed in history class.
Welcome to Stuff You Missed in History Class from HowStuffWorks.com.
KKHH and KKHH HD1 Houston, a radio.com station. Happy New Year from 95.7 The Spot.
This is K-True on 96.1 KTRU LP Houston and streaming live on the web at ktru.org and on your phone.
From the Smart City Locating Studio, KHMX HD1 Houston, a radio.com station. Download the radio.com app and take us with you everywhere you go. Houston's best variety, Mix 96.5.
This is KDJN Port Arthur, KNTE, Bay City, Houston, 98.5 y 101.7. Aquí arranca otra hora de música de La Raza. Transmitiendo en vivo desde los estudios de Gallery Furniture, ahorrando su dinero.
Recuerdos that could win you $1,000 to pay those holiday bills on Sunny 99.1.
More music, more variety for your workday, at home or wherever you're working.
KOTA FM Houston.
Available everywhere with the iHeartRadio app. Now number one for podcasting.
Sunny 99.1.
An iHeartRadio station.
That's what makes you beautiful.
Your requests and dedications are on the air with Delilah and music to keep you feeling good tonight.
KODA FM Houston. Available everywhere with the iHeartRadio app.
Now number one for podcasting.
Sunny 99.1.
An iHeartRadio station.
From the PlanetBoard.com studios.
The biggest stars.
Hey, this is George Strait.
It's Luke Bryan. The most new country.
It's Dan and Shay.
Hi, it's John Party.
KILT-FM and KILT-HD1 Houston.
A radio.com station.
Houston's new country. 100.3 The Bull.
KLOL and HD1 Houston. Desde los estudios Miller Lite, una estación de radio.com.
Háblame de ti, cómo tú estás, quisiera verte.
Brought to you by your local Houston BMW dealers. BMW, the ultimate driving machine.
KMJQ Houston Galveston.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Welcome to the year of new beginnings.
Happy New Year.
From the People's Station.
Magic 102.1.
Ahí está tu solución para este nuevo año.
Houston 102.9. La que buena. Tocando puras buenas.
Llévanos contigo todo el tiempo con la aplicación Euforia. Download Latin Music, el app que siempre es gratis. Bájala ya en tu App Store o Play Store.
Las tonterías y el cotorreo del bueno, la mala y el feo
No solo están en la radio.
ahora también en YouTube.
Eso no te va a doler, pelón, tú déjate. Dale, que
Te rajaste, feo. Me dejaste morir solo. Pensé que eras mi hermano.
Búscanos como el bueno, la mala y el feo y ayúdanos a ser el próximo.
¿Se va a hacer o no se va a hacer la carnita asada?
Así que quítale la tableta a los niños y suscríbete al canal oficial de YouTube del bueno, la mala y el feo. Aquí en La Que Buena 102.9.
No me eches la culpa.
104.1.
Okay,
Bring it back up. Yeah. Live from the TXU Energy Studio.
Hey, it's Selena Gomez.
What's up, guys? It's Khalid.
Hey guys, it's us, the Jonas Brothers.
On the biggest radio station in Texas.
You're listening to KHCB FM Houston at 105.7. Listener-supported, non-commercial Christian radio. Also broadcasting in Lockhart, San Marcos, Austin, Beaumont, and Port Arthur. KHCB. The call letters stand for keeping him close by.
It's 57 and fair. Wind is from the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, clear with a low in the low 50s. Then tomorrow, foggy with a high in the upper 60s. Tomorrow night, clear with a low in the mid 40s. It's 57 and fair.
Into a new year, you're gonna hear about everybody making their New Year's resolutions and
KGLK Lake Jackson 107.5,
KHPT Conroe 106.9.
Houston, Texas.
A Cox Media Group station.
We are the Eagle,
Houston's only classic rock.
KQQK. Beaumont. Houston. Galveston 107.9 FM en oídos de todos los que vibramos con la música norteña, única en su género. Escúchala y respira todo el día. El norte, norteña hasta el tope. Transmitiendo en vivo desde los estudios de Gallery Furniture, ahorrando su dinero.
Hometown radio with the best country.
Country music at its best, along with information about local events. We're KBLG, KBUK, LaGrange.
TSN News, I'm Barbara Schwartz. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick will not require mask wearing in the Texas Senate.
Central Texas, positive, encouraging K-Love. 106.3 KMLR, Gonzales, San Marcos. 105.9 Austin. And reaching around the world at klove.com.